So I ran a full Amazon advertising audit on my Amazon selling account using Claude AI. It took about 10 minutes and it found in the first pass, before you even got to the deep analysis, Claude found 13 campaigns that were actively spending money on products that had zero inventory, 0 units in stock, 0 units inbound, and just money going out the door with no chance of a sale. And here's the thing, Amazon didn't flag it because Amazon ads are running exactly as configured, because Amazon's ads system and the inventory system don't talk to each other. That was just one account, one audit, and 13 problems in the first 10 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the audit, how we built it, how 13 sections that check every major source of wasted ad spend, and how you can run it yourself. This is a free audit that we're giving away. Hi, my name is Nhan. This is real Nhan here, not the AI avatar with Seller Labs. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and I'm your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe to join the AI revolution. So basically, here's how it works. Here's why most sellers never catch this stuff. It's because your Amazon advertising account is a black box. You can log into Seller Central and see charts. You can see your ACOS number, but that number hides everything. It doesn't tell you which campaigns have spent for months with 0 sales. It doesn't tell you which keywords have gotten 200 clicks without a single conversion. It doesn't tell you whether listings on your ads are sending traffic to a 3.2 star rating, which means Amazon's own algorithm is already suppressing their conversion rate. And most sellers manage their ads by gut feel, or they pay an agency or a software, and the agency they manage it by a combination of gut feel and weekly reports that aren't much better. So the waste is invisible, but it's real, right? We're talking about marginal. We're not just talking about marginal efficiency here. We've seen accounts where more than half of total ad spend is generating 0 conversion, 0, not low return, just literally throwing money, burning out those money and throwing it out the door. And the data to fix all this is sitting inside your account right now. It's in MySQL tables that Seller Labs syncs from Amazon every day if you sign up for an Amazon Seller Labs account. We have an MCP that allows you to connect the AI. And the problem is there's no dashboard that surfaces it in a way that tells you what to do. So that's why I built this, is so that you can just link to this one audit file that has the instruction for the AI to go through your account and look through all your cases to make sure you're not wasting money and burning money and throwing it out the door. So here's how it works. Basically, I just go to Claude Code and said run this, and I reference the file on AA Power's account, and then it ran it. Asked a couple questions, and then it ran it. And so it ran it on this account and found that this is an overall health grade of C. So not that great, right? So the first section is out of stock, and these are critical. So these items are out of stock, and it's still running campaigns, so purely burning money. The second section is ACOS Health Dashboard Power Ratio, and you can read all that. Basically, it's in this file here that we've put together, and we're gonna make that available on our website. So if you go to our website, sellerlabs.com, we're going to make it available under the resources section here. Right now it's not on there yet, but we're going to make this audit available under the resources section. And section 3 looks at something called the powered ratio, which is a metric that Amazon advertising analyst Michael Erickson Fachin, I hope I'm pronouncing his name right, it compares overall account ACOS against ACOS of only the spend that actually generated sale. And healthy is between 1.5 and 1.3 and 1.5. Above 2 means more than half of your spend is producing nothing. And so we're at 1.67 here. And then the next is tacos trends, how it's doing. And then 0 sale campaigns. It lists out the campaigns that are 0 sales in the past 60 days with greater than $2 in spend. So it's $135 wasted. It looks at the overall campaign structure audit to make sure it's has recommendations there. It has keyword performance and threshold, which is section 7. Section 8 is search term weights and n-gram analysis. I'm just going it through quickly so you can kind of see just the overall picture as far as the details. You can, once you get the audit, you can read through it and or have Claude explain it to you. Budget utilization, bidding strategy, campaign. Section 10 is placement, performance, stacking risk, campaign coverage check, and then listing quality. So it recommended that these listings have a low rating, so we should stop spending on it because Amazon, you're basically burning money and you're not going to get a lot of conversions. It gave you an action plan. These are things that need to be done first, second, third, fourth, and so on and so forth. This is a priority of action. And so I told it to go ahead and using our Seller Labs MCP and do as much as you can. So it went through and did all that and implemented it. It took 10-15 minutes or so. The actions that were completed, these, it says actions need to be completed manually. So here I'm going to try to see if we can use the MCP, the Playwright MCP. So here in this environment, you can see I'm in Visual Studio Code running Claude Code. This is where it can take actions for you. And so we're going to try that out and see if it works. So as you can see here, it launched a browser that it log into. I had to log in to the account, and once it's logged in, it's trying to navigate the pages here, and it's trying to find the part where it can implement those things that it recommended earlier. So as you can see here, it's navigating to the Amazon ads console, and so it's navigating to there and starting to get in the right direction here. So here it's saying that it's using the bulk operations to add negative keywords at once, because right now Seller Labs MCP doesn't support the negative keywords yet, but we're launching that in the future. But in the meantime, I just told Claude to go to Seller Central and do this task for me, and so it's navigating to there, and it's going to put all the negative keywords there. So as you can see here, it downloaded the template. And it's parsing it to get the exact column, that the format that Amazon wants. So it's still thinking through that. All right, so it's building the file with the negative keywords there, and it's uploading to Campaign Manager. So as you can see here, it's clicking the upload button. So it actually, what it is, download the template, put the negative keywords into the template, and now it's uploading it to Seller Central to create the negative keywords. So it uploaded the file, and we're waiting for that action to happen. So as you can see, it recommended the actions, and then I told it to go use the Seller Labs MCP, and then it completed these actions, and then it will use the Playwright MCP to make the modifications with these that to do it in the using the Playwright MCP. So there you have it. So basically, that's the audit file that we created here, and we're giving that away for free. The only thing you need is a Seller Labs MCP and a Claude Code Claude Code subscription, and that connection gives Claude access to Amazon data. And basically, you can go to our website here, sellerlabs.com. You can learn about our MCP and how it works, and then as well as if you want to get up to speed on how to leverage Amazon's MCP, how to use Seller Labs MCP, as well as how to level up in your AI automation with Claude Code, we created a free course. You can go to sellerlabs.com/amazon-ai-course, and then it's also in the resources section of our website, and level up there. So that's it. I wanted to demonstrate how the advertising audit works. So if you've been running Amazon ads for at least 6 months and have never touched or never done a structural audit, you're almost certainly leaving money on the table. So the question is how much. So go ahead and download the file, install the MCP, run the audit so that Claude find the waste, and hopefully you will save a lot of money on the other side. I'll see you next time. See ya.